Rufina. We're doing some, what's this project, Juna?
Some bird feeder.
Bird feeder. Ooh.
This is what they are doing right now.
No,
This is what we're doing right now.
They make their own
Kala ko punta ka.
bird feeder
Bit feeder.
for the cheaper.
Wala.
And there is a hole on here. This with the food of the bird. I put some hole right there. There are 3 holes. So when we put the food of the birds, the water will go down here. Will not stagnant in here. Okay. Juna is making something like doing some hook
For the
for the
which one? Give me that one.
right here. This is the finishing line
Yeah.
that we made.
So you can do like that.
And if you order, just call Juna. If you order this, just call Juna. This is our project.
Or you can
How
make,
much this one?
How much?
how much the
10
total?
bucks.
Oh.
This is 10 bucks for just one. Okay? This is so durable. We have a hook right there. And right here. And right here. And right there. So this is very durable. You can buy this one. You can't buy this one in dollar store.
Okay.
You can buy here in Juna's place. Okay? There is no discount, ma'am. We're doing this for 1 day. If you're my friend, then I will.
But finally, $10.
Final price is $10.
Included with the feeder?
Yeah.
Wow, it's very strong, huh? Look, it's a metal.
Yeah, this is very strong. Shoo! Even the wind will blow. It won't be destroyed. Do 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 do.
Ang galing ah.
Yeah.
Wow.
See, look at the red and the green.
Ang galing naman yung ginawa nyo. Parang kayong mga ano ah.
Yeah.
You look like
We are
Inventor.
handy woman.
Yeah.
you're inventing.
Whose idea of that make like that?
Who invented it?
Yeah, who
Jonah.
invented?
Jonas. Mine.
Jonah Seidner. She's the one who invented.
Yeah. I'm just like her sidekick.
Sidekick and assistants.
Assistant.
Professional assistant.
Yeah.
And Fairy Lions is gonna sell.
Caroline is the one who
The
are
seller.
our manager.
The sponsor of this product is right here.
Is Nanay Atilini. This
Yeah.
is sponsor.
The sponsor.
How much you have to order? 1 dozen? 1 free.
Yeah.
Okay.
Order 1 dozen, get 1 free.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Wow.
Well, order 1 dozen, 1 free.
So the manager, did you QC our finishing line?
It's perfect.
It's perfect. Okay. So we can sell to China.
No, only US.
Not China.
No, China.
The
This is
shipping costs
made
too
in
much.
USA.
This is good.
Made in USA, not China.
The shipping cost is too much. So only in US. Yes.
Door to door.
Where's your bird alarm?
Door to door.
Over there.
Yeah. You have a good day.
I'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Next video.
On the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye.